can bring your guys and get down rid of it.
Yeah, just pull it.
See what? Drag it over here. Drag it over here. Oh.
Hang on, hang on. There we go.
This is the second one. Good job, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You got something to hit it?
Sweet, dude. Appreciate it.
Yeah, we got it.
Let's get out of your way.
You got a good hook right there.
Yeah.
Ain't go anywhere.
That's a good one.
Make sure you don't lose your gear. Make sure you don't lose your gear. No, I know. That's mine. Put your jigs in the water. Yeah.
Careful with that. It may drip.
Yeah, I know, I know. So what I'm gonna do is,
Maybe cut it on the nail.
yeah, do it right here.
Oh, try that way.
I want to make sure I don't get you guys.
What's going on with that fish?
Bleed them out. It's the best way to bleed them out, man. Use your pot, you know?
Be careful with the seal when they get it.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching the seal, man. If I see a big ass wave, I'm pulling them up.
Oh yeah, you'd be like, that's a huge steak there.
Yep.
Free breakfast.
Yeah, it's better than cutting them up here, dude. It just makes everything slippery up here.
Yeah. I just put them jokers in my bag. I cut the gills and put them right in my bag. Got one of those cooler bags. I'm really glad I invested in it.
Yeah, I got a cooler right there. I just want to make sure I'm not marinating them in their same blood, you know?
Sure, you ain't caught nothing over there, baby? Soon, baby. black one. See the king?
He's a big one.
Yeah,
He's a big one. Yeah, he was a big one.
It's a jump or king?